Really? Well, you know, Dolly requested more cat, so you ask, I provide. Here's more cat. Whole lot of cat. Here, let's give you an example of how much of a whole lot of cat that means. Yeah, I wear a size 12. That's 12 inches. And, well, at least that's what that sandal is, 12 inches. 12 inches. That is a big cat. 14 pounds, too. Wow, the cat is super shaky. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, right there. Right there. We're good. All right. Seriously. I have hand tremor sometimes. But yeah, that's 14 pounds of cat right there. Big cat. Big cat. All right.